What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, what's up? My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better.
So, today's video, I'm going to be using and reviewing, testing, plus tutorial, plus swatches combined of the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. So, it comes in this. I guess I should have been like professional and put it in here, but okay, so in this video I am going to do swatches. I will put a timestamp in the description below if you have already seen the swatches and you don't want to watch it again and you just want to get straight into the eye look. I will put that below. But if you have not seen this palette swatched yet, then don't worry about that part. So I love these palettes mostly for the matte shades, but I thought when I saw this, I just thought it was very different than any of the other palettes that they've come out with, because a lot of their palettes will have repeating colors. They can, and these I believe are all brand new. They've never been in a palette before. I could be wrong, but I believe they, you know, anyways. Stop babbling, Natalie. So here is what it looks like. And then this is the look that I created. So the tutorial is just the eyes. It's not a full face tutorial. And then I paired it with this lip. And this is Doll Parts by Jeffree Star. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the swatching of the Norvina palette. And if you do enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Oh, look how bomb my nails are. That's just a reason right there. And I will see you in my next video, which I post weekly. Sometimes two, depending on how much time I have. But I love you guys. All right, bye. All right, so I have already made a mess of my palette. I do like the packaging. I like the velvet feel. It's a velvet like the modern Renaissance, but as you can see, it collects shadow very easily, and so it gets dirty, you know, very easily. I'll try to wipe it off with a makeup wipe, but it doesn't always come off. So it does come with a brush, but I already used it and I had to wash it, so it's upstairs. But it's the same as all her other brushes. It's dual-sided, which is nice. So these colors were just all very unique. And all right, let's get to swatching. So the first one is Dreamer. And this is what I put on the lid. It's like a beautiful, like peachy champagne gold. Alright, the next color is Summer, which is a like beautiful, like pure gold. I'm gonna have to use that one next time for show. And the next one is Wild Child. Now I have been playing with this palette a little bit, not like too much, but a little bit. And this is definitely one of the It's not as pigmented as the other metallic ones. It takes a lot to build it up. You know, as you can see, the metallics, because they are kind of like a pressed, kind of like, you know, pigment glitter, they are gonna have more kick up. But I mean, that's not something that really bothers me, to be honest. I always do my eye makeup first, except for in this, because I already had my face makeup done, but I'm not bothered by that in the least. Okay, so the next one was the one I was most excited for, but it's the one that I'm like least happy about. It's Swatches Gorgeous, but I'm gonna have to try it again. I tried to use it a little bit in between the Dreamer and then the outer crease color, and I just don't feel like it translated onto the eye the way it swatches. I was not happy with the way it applied, but I'm gonna have to play with it some. Okay, so the next one is Celestial. I love this one. It is like a bright, like lilac purple. Alright, the next one is Dazzling. Ooh. That's like a really pretty like bronze. Ooh, I'm gonna have to use that one too. The last metallic shade is Drama. So there are 7 metallic shades and then 7 mattes. The complete entire first row is metallic and then the complete bottom row are mattes. So here is Drama. It's just a dark purple glitter. Okay, so now we are going to do the mattes. The first one is called Base, and it's basically the same color as my skin, so I'm just going to swatch it over here since you're not going to be able to see it anyways. Alright, so the next one is Soul, which is kind of like a periwinkle blue, but it's not like a purpley. It's more like a gray undertone. I really like this. It's a very unique color. The next one is called Incense. Like a nice taupey brown crease. Love, one of my favorite colors in the palette. I've used that as like a transition shade. And then Volatile, which is kind of like a grayish brown. I'm not around. Okay, so the next one is called Eccentric, and this is like, oh, I love this. It's kind of like mustardy yellow brown, like a puke brown. So I put it right here because I was running out of room. And then the last color is Passion, and this is another one of my favorites. Ooh, that's really pigmented, and it's down here. Now that I have eyeshadow all over me. So those are the swatches. If you would like to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking a Sigma E35 and we're gonna go in with Love. I have some powder down to catch any fallout because I have my foundation done already. I like never do my foundation first, but I didn't have time to do my eyes earlier, so I just did my foundation. And these do have a good amount of kick up, so I really would have preferred to do my eyes first, but that is beyond my control at this point. But they are very pigmented and blend beautifully, especially the mattes. They're mattes, it's a really good formula. I don't really mind the kick up because I usually do my eyes first. So now I am going to take a Morphe M518. It's just a little, not much. It's almost the exact same brush, but we're gonna use it and go in with Incense, which is right next to Love. And we're gonna put that in the crease as well. And then we're gonna take the 35, go back in with a little Love. Everything's better with a little more Love. Now I'm going to take a Sigma E25. This is probably one of my like all-time favorite brushes, and go in with Passion. And put that on the outer third of the eye. I just set it down first, and then we'll go back and blend it out. And I go like side to side first because I like kind of a smoked out look. And then we're gonna slowly bring that into the crease. Hold on. My glitter glue. Morphe M421. And first we're gonna go in with Dreamer. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with Rose Gold on the other side of the brush, or you can wipe it off. So now I'm going to use some Fix Plus. And go back in with Dreamer. Okay, so I put mascara on, and now I'm going to be putting lashes on. And these are the Allure Trillium, I guess? Trillium? Okay, so I'm gonna put these on and then I will be back. I really like it. Mommy trees is the perfect place for shade. Das ist happy. Wait, just fucking wait. That's just happy. Telling my something that you came with. That's just how I feel. I'm like switch. That's just how I feel.